Imagine this. One ordinary morning, the sun, our life-giving star, suddenly winks out. No warning, no explosion, no sound, just gone. You might expect instant darkness, panic, and chaos, but for 8 minutes and 20 seconds the world continues as if nothing has happened. The city bustles, people chat on sidewalks, completely unaware of the cosmic catastrophe unfolding above. You'd keep sipping your coffee, maybe scrolling through your phone, walking to school, or gazing out the window at the familiar morning light. The world feels safe and utterly normal. The sky stays blue. Sunlight pours through the trees. The world feels untouched by disaster. Why does everything seem so normal? Because the sun is so far away, about 93 million miles, that its light, and even its gravitational pull, take over 8 minutes to reach us. For those 8 minutes, Earth continues its orbit as if nothing happened, unaware that the universe has already changed. It's not magic or science fiction, just the unbreakable rules of physics. The speed of light is the universe's ultimate speed limit, and nothing, not even gravity, can travel faster. Every time we look at the sun, we're actually seeing it as it was 8 minutes ago, not as it is right now. When those 8 minutes are up, reality finally catches up. The very last photon arrives, and then, suddenly, nothing. The world is plunged into darkness. In an instant, day turns to night. Darkness falls, and nothing will ever be the same again. Before darkness, let's appreciate the sun's role. It's not just a light in the sky, it's Earth's power plant, fueling life for 4.6 billion years. Sunlight drives photosynthesis and powers our weather. It keeps Earth's surface warm enough for liquid water and life. The sun's uneven heating creates winds, ocean currents, and weather systems. Without the air, wind, and even the seasons would vanish. Every aspect of life depends on its energy. After 8 minutes, the last sunlight reaches Earth, and then, total darkness. This isn't night as we know it, it is absolute blackness. The stars explode into view, the Milky Way blazes overhead, the moon and planets vanish. Panic erupts as people are plunged from daylight into pitch black. Solar power fails instantly. Animals panic. The darkness is just the beginning. The cold is coming fast. Frost creeps fast across windows. Temperatures plummet, and survival becomes a race against the cold. The countdown to catastrophe accelerates. With the sun gone, Earth's heat bleeds into space. Temperatures drop rapidly. Within days, most places fall below freezing, and the global average is near 0 Fahrenheit. Oceans begin to freeze at the surface, forming ice that insulates deeper water. Humans scramble for warmth, relying on dwindling energy sources. Without the sun, Earth's systems begin to collapse. Weather stops, no more wind, rain, or clouds. The atmosphere becomes still and stratified, trapping pollution near the ground. Ocean currents, powered by solar heat, grind to a halt. Marine life suffocates as oxygen ceases to circulate. Photosynthesis ends instantly. Plants and algae can't make food. The food chain unravels from the bottom up. Plants die, human agriculture fails, and stored food becomes our only hope. The end of photosynthesis triggers mass extinction. Plants wither and die. Ocean plankton, our oxygen producers, perish. Herbivores starve as food vanishes. Crops fail, and chaos erupts over dwindling supplies. Now, here comes the twist. The sun returns after a week of absolute darkness. The world is bathed in light once more, and for a fleeting moment, it almost feels like everything is back to normal. Light and warmth flood back into our lives, chasing away the shadows. But beneath this comforting glow, something fundamental has changed. The damage is already done, and it's far deeper than what we can see. The real problem isn't just the cold or the dark, it's gravity itself. For a week, gravity vanished, and the consequences are catastrophic. Earth drifted off its orbit, moving in a straight line through space, no longer tethered to the sun's pull. When gravity resumes, Earth is violently yanked back, but not into its old stable path. Instead, we're flung into a new, unstable orbit, our trajectory forever altered. Now, our planet follows an elliptical path, swinging much closer to the sun at times, and then drifting much farther away at others. This means our seasons become wild and unpredictable, scorching summers, brutal winters, and everything in between. Depending on where we are in our new orbit, we could face boiling heat waves or be plunged into a permanent ice age. Life as we know it is at the mercy of these extremes. The delicate balance that made life possible on Earth is shattered. Ecosystems collapse, crops fail, and entire species may vanish. The habitable zone, the narrow band where life can thrive, is unforgiving. We've been thrown out of it, and survival becomes a desperate struggle. The sun's brief absence has doomed our world, leaving cities abandoned and landscapes scarred by extremes. Even a week-long interruption is enough to break the cosmic order, sending ripples through the solar system and beyond. The Earth's fate is sealed by a momentary lapse, a brief pause with consequences that will echo for millennia. The sun's constancy is our lifeline, the anchor that keeps our world in balance. Now, even as the light returns, we are lost, adrift in a universe that no longer feels like home. The world will never be the same. The sun is back, but Earth's new orbit spells disaster. Climate chaos replaces familiar seasons, scorching heat, brutal cold, unpredictable swings. Ecosystems collapse, plants and animals can't adapt. The sun is more than light and warmth, it's our anchor. Even a brief interruption breaks the bond that holds our world together. The sun's embrace is what makes life possible. Without it, Earth is lost to chaos. If this blew your mind, make sure to hit subscribe to Life and Nature Matters, because the universe has way more secrets, and you don't want to miss what's coming next.